Alright, what I got was concentrated Clorox bleach. Now, I got this one because it says it's for outdoor patio or house siding. So I thought that maybe this was good for that. And it also has the uses for it. For brick and masonry, like dirt, grime, paint stains, aluminum, painted surfaces. So then it has the ratio. So I'm just going to kind of go by what Dan's vlog said and go from there. Alright, let's get to work. Alright, so here we go. This is going to be the easiest $100 I ever made. And look, I got my solution in there. So we have about a quarter gallon of that bleach, because I don't know how strong it is just yet. If it's a weak solution, then I'll just add a little bit more, but I think I'm good. Add about a quarter gallon of that stuff to 2 gallons of water and about a half a bottle of Dawn Escapes. I guess you could use any soap. I just use Escapes because I might use this in a pinch for window cleaning if I should run out of my full crystal. I like the scent of this. New Zealand. Alright. The good thing is there's no grass on this side, so I don't have to pre-wet the grass. But what I didn't notice is that, like Jacob Williams said, I should wet the heck out of that grass. I noticed that Dan's vlogs didn't do it. I guess it's just as a precaution, rather be safe than sorry type thing, I imagine. But alright, let's get to work. Alright. The good thing about this mod is when I swing to the side, it doesn't flip back on me, which is good. I'll show you on Wagtail Wednesday, so stay tuned for that on how I built this step by step. No different than any other mod that anyone else has done. But alright, I'm pleased with the results. Macafracka. I want to thank everyone, especially Cray Rodriguez, Dave Landisfeld, Jacob Williams, and Fernando, and a few others that commented without me double checking. I want to thank everyone for commenting and steering me in the right direction. This was my first actual soft wash, and I'm pretty pleased that this came out rather well without a pressure washer. I'm satisfied. Now I can implement this into my business because people keep asking me. And I don't know about doing a whole house like that. It might take forever. But just on the one side where they have a problem with, I could probably upsell on that. I could do one side of a house and charge them $100. People will be satisfied paying that if they don't have to worry about paying me $300 or $400 to do a whole house. Some people can probably afford $100 and to make the house look good, because usually it's always on the north side. For the most part, that's the worst, and people cannot actually, you know, deal with the rest of the house being, you know, kosher. But alright, peace. Hope you enjoyed the video. Macafracka.